Hello my friends, how is everything? Today, I'm going to show you 6 amazing home gadgets you must have to convert your normal home into a smart one. Before we start the video, please click the subscribe and like button. And let's start.
This is the Ring Stick-Up Cam, a home monitoring camera that goes indoors, outdoors, even between doors, so you can see every corner of your home. Stay connected with motion alerts.
Why is Frankie out?
And speak to who's there with two-way talk.
Hey, Eddie.
Hey, Mrs. Dawson.
Power Stick-Up Cam however you want. Just plug it in, pop in a battery, or let the sun do the charging for you. And if your Ring alarm goes off, Stick-Up Cam can start recording automatically.
That's pretty smart.
It sure is.
So start protecting your home and family with the easy installing, home monitoring, indoor-outdoor Stick-Up Cam by Ring.
Alexa, start Coredy R750. This vacuum has changed my life. It automatically runs from room to room. It gets all those really hard to reach places. It even mops. I really like their 24/7 customer service and lifetime technical support. Coredy keeps my house cleaner, so I get to spend more time doing the things that I love.
Alexa, change room light to yellow.
Okay.
Alexa, dim room light to 30%.
Okay.
We believe that interaction with technology should be seamless. That's why we created Nuimo, a smart home controller for your music, lights, and more. Nuimo gives you instant access to your smart devices and brings you closer to the things you love. It uses simple, intuitive controls, including touch, a high-precision ring, and gesture sensing. Nuimo was created to blend into your life with a timeless design and made with the highest quality materials. To build Nuimo, we gathered a team of psychologists, designers and engineers and manufactured right here in Germany. Thanks to our supporters, we turned our idea into reality and received some of the top technology and design awards. We care about a future in which our relationship with technology feels seamless and natural, and we cannot wait for you to experience this in your home.